can show you some of the best ways. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make living from anywhere in the world. Yes, there are many people who quit from their 8 to 5 jobs and start their career as a digital marketer. We can recommend you some affiliate marketing courses. You can join free courses. How? We want to show you how. Find some of the best course links below on how to become an affiliate marketer and start living from anywhere in the world. What do I need? You need just a laptop, a smartphone, or a camera and an internet connection. The courses will teach you step by step how to become professional YouTuber and make more than double, triple, even more you are making right now. You will find everything you need to become a successful affiliate marketing specialist and make living from home. Are you kidding with us? No. You can check one of the following courses link given below.